What's up, guys? So I'm going up this big old hill here. I didn't make a driving video in the truck when we got the big storm yesterday. We're getting some residual stuff, some really nasty weather here. And the reason I didn't do a driving video is because the storm was really untouched in the middle of the night, and I didn't want to drive around the dark. Not only is it not a good video, but it's unsafe. And speaking of which, I know someone's going to say, Jeff, you shouldn't be filming in this horrible weather. It's actually not illegal to film while you're driving in Pennsylvania. It might be considered reckless, but I don't really care. I'm just doing a quick little video here. I'm doing 14 miles an hour going up a hill. But I just want to tell you my experience with the truck in the winter so far is phenomenal. I'm sure you can imagine that. Leaving today where I was, it was really nasty. Two-wheel drive was not cutting it in the truck because obviously it's very light in the back. So rear-wheel drive in snow and ice is not good. So I did put it in four-wheel drive. You can see the just regular four-wheel drive, a little indicator there. I haven't needed to use any other features. I do have differential lock. I got some extra stuff in here because I got the off-road edition of the TRD, and I did that on purpose so that if it gets really nasty, I have a couple different levels of getting out of a sticky situation. So differential lock is obviously very beneficial in certain situations. There's an automatic crawl function here, which is essentially really nasty weather. You can do a variable speed automatic driving, essentially. So the truck does it all for you, so you don't have to figure out how to drive. There's a lot of cool bells and whistles, but I'm hoping to never use them, to be honest. This is all I hope to ever use. I'm trying not to put myself in those situations. But anyway, I did want to make a video just to say it's amazing, it's awesome, just like you would imagine. I already passed a couple accidents on this exact hill. People coming down, two different people completely in sedans, went completely off the road in the ditch. They're currently stuck. There's cop cars coming to help them and stuff, and you can see the plows up there trying to keep up with everything. It's nasty. Kids head off of school today for good reason. But anyway, I'm going to shut this off because I am going to go on to a different road here. Obviously, I only wanted to film while I'm coming up the hill, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, Toyota Tacoma. You didn't need me to tell you, it's fantastic in the snow. Much better than the RAV4 was, even though the RAV was cool. It worked fine. This is even better. But I will say before I go real quick is that my Challenger, the all-wheel drive Challenger, was even better than the RAV4 in my opinion. So just saying, because I guess it was longer, wider, heavier. I mean, the thing was 4,100 pounds with no driver. And that system was it. It was actually super surprising. If you want to get around in style, a 6-cylinder all-wheel drive Dodge Challenger with some knobby tires, and you'd be good to go. You'd be pretty cool looking on the road, and most people will probably think you're crazy because they have no idea that the Challenger is even offered in all-wheel drive. So, and I got that a lot actually at gas station stuff. You're crazy for being out here. I'm like, this is all-wheel drive. They're like, really? So anyway, that's it. I'm gonna do a crawl down this road too with the plow, and that's totally fine. I'm sure they're salty and stuff, so I'm in no rush. When you're driving in nasty weather, you should never be in a rush. That's how you get into some sticky stuff. So hope you guys have a wonderful day. Be safe out there, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.